Today, I was earlier working on the van. I am doing a van build. And today I am here. They got this on the wrong side for people that's right-handed. Good friends are like Christmas. They sprinkle. Oh, this is the first time I read this. Good friends are like Christmas. They sprinkle, twinkle, and glow. They are the greatest gift your heart will ever know. Oh, that's so sweet. I like that. I am here to cook. I just got through making banana tea. Y'all, it is good. It's good. And you ain't got to put nothing in it but the banana peels, and it's sweet. It tastes good, y'all. It really, really, really do. I am going to make this forever. So this is supposed to help with sleeping, relaxing, weight loss, and some more things. I can't remember. I'm going to have to make a video about this because this is really, really, really good. I think this is mine. And then I seen some videos that said, do this for 7 days and see what happened. So I'm going to do the lemon water tea for 7 days and see what happened. Girl, I'm going to do it for 30 days and see what happened. This is actually really, 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 I'm talking about surprisingly good. Hey, Miss Apple. I'm going to make a video. Did you taste it yet? It tastes good. You don't like it? It tastes good. It actually tastes kind of sweet. You need to go back to your cup. Big butt. Y'all, I call Miss Charlotte with the big booty. Girl, her train is choo-choo. She got the junk in the trunk, y'all. Charlene, you need to go drink that tea because it helps with indigestion. It helps relax, and it helps you lose weight. Judy, go drink the tea. It actually tastes.
My name is not Judy.
It actually is, girl. Let me show this. Stand. Let me show them. Stand right there. Stand right there. Come back, Judy. It actually tastes good. I don't know what she talking about. She says she don't like it, but you don't have to put nothing in it, y'all. No sugar, no honey, no, just the banana peel. It tastes good. I like it. Judy with the big, yeah, girl. She dragging that wagon. Y'all ever heard Judy with the big booty? Girl, she is dragging that wagon. It sure is. She sure is. Don't get me because you dragging the wagon. That's funny. So, I am here to cook today. I'm going to take this jacket off because it got paint all over it. But I might go put on another jacket. Let me go get another jacket. I am a little chilly. It is a little cold outside. The weather outside is frightful, and I am so delighted. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Okay, I'm gonna do a poll because I need y'all to tell me I need y'all to tell me what to